Hey guys, what's up? I just recently got this chair on Amazon and I thought I would show it to you a little bit in my living room and sitting in it because I have filmed some other videos where you just see it, but I wanted you to see what a human looks like in the chair. I absolutely adore my living room. It's like the place every time I walk into my condo, I'm like, oh, I love my space. And so I'm always looking for really particular furniture items that I think fit that really well. I use a lot of neutral colors, gold trim, and so I have everything from gray, tan, the gold that I mentioned. I do have a couple of black furniture pieces kind of mixed in, and then this really big mirror that has like the silver trim. So I've kind of got a lot of neutrals going on, and this chair has been the perfect fit in this space. I just absolutely love it. It's really comfortable. It is, as you can see, I fit in it really well. I sit here to have my coffee in the mornings. I have the space to sit cross-legged in it, so or crisscross, is that what they call it? So it's just really super comfortable. It has this kind of like back cushion, really easy to install. Yeah, I just really love it. If you need to move it from one room to another, I was able to easily like turn it on its side and move it through a doorway. And pretty easy to put together too. I will say, if you do put it together, on this part right here, the center part, um, there is a little orange thing that says front, that it's facing the front. So the other pieces say front really big, so it's easy to see. I kind of missed that when I was first putting it together, and it would have saved me a lot of time to know that. So I'm letting you know so that when you put it together, you can easily see how it all goes. It came with everything that I needed, really easy to follow the instructions, other than the fact that apparently I can't read where it says front. So anyway, I hope this is helpful for you. I love the chair, and it's just like the perfect addition to my space. So have a great day.